famies, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. Remember, we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our houses. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video. To all our new subscribers, welcome to the crazy home, family, and God bless you for subscribing. Now let's make breakfast continue with our story time, Amahle and the Friend Part 2. Remember last time we said they made an appointment to the curtain guy, to the curtain store of that guy, ne? They make an appointment, and 2 weeks prior, of course, and Amahle says the friend said to her, you know what, my girlfriend, time is money here. Time is money. I don't want my time to be wasted. Remember, the girl, she's a businesswoman and she's also working at this other institution, private institution, 9 to 5. And then after 9 to 5, she runs business. When your Mugela has money, let's give that. Let's give her that. Let's not take away her flowers, okay? The problem here, my sister, my brother, I beg, grab your chair, was that Mugela wanted to be Beyonce of the family. Mugela got comfortable with the fact that Amahle was a beggar in her eyes. You know those friendships whereby they have and you don't have, and they like it when they feed you? The day you say, Father, thank you for blessing me, they despise you. Hey, you guys are naughty. You guys are naughty. That is witchcraft, my sister, my brother. If you are doing it though, cancel that thing. I beg. Cancel it, because you cannot want to be the Beyonce. At whose cost? Even God in heaven is the only authority guy there. Sit down. Put your behind here. Downstairs. I beg. Let us be on the same level. If you want me to give you your flowers, do that. I don't know. Maybe your husband, your partner will treat you like the queen, not us. Sharp, cool. They make an appointment. Now weeks are coming by. Remember, Amahle needs to move in, right? You know, when you are staying in an apartment and you serve a notice, the last day of the month you must move out. They are not going to say, no, things didn't go well. You must move out. Come the day of the curtains, Amahle texts the girl, texts the friend, I'm gonna run late, blah, 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 blah. The appointment was 12 o'clock. Cool. Mugele, blue tick, sharp. Amahle, now it's time to go to the store. Blue tick. Gele, blue tick. Call, nothing, no answering. But this person is not answering your call. When you go online on WhatsApp, she's online. Tell me, what is that? Tell me, is that not witchcraft? In fact, I'm not narrating the story nicely because hey, Amahle, the owner of the story can narrate, and she's a very funny person. I was laughing in between, rolling my eyes, shocked and everything. So, what do you call it, whereby you call somebody, they are not answering, but online they are there? Witchcraft, daylight, sharp. And she texts the girl until 5 o'clock, no response. The following day, Amahle was like, oh, probably she's busy. I mean, if you are busy, just say, I'm busy. I'll get back to you. Those kind of little things. Like, we always get busy. Sharp. Day 1, no comment. No response. Day 2, dololo. Day 3, nothing. Day 4, 0. Day 5, Day 6, Day 7, nothing. Amahle was like, hell to the no. And like when you are coming lightweight on me, and I'm not going to tolerate it. And then Amahle, what did you do? My girl was like, I wrote a passage like this to say, listen here, girl, listen here. I've seen your tendencies. I've been observing you. You enjoy treating me like your doormat, like a lap dog. It's like you have a bag of dog more. Huh? You have a bag full of dog moss, and I'm your puppy. I'm running after you because you are feeding me. Listen here, I have arrived. My God has answered the prayers. And you know what? Mugela was this type of a person whereby she enjoys being there. She, for the longest time, remember, Amahle was nothing for a very long time. In fact, from the inception of their relationship, Amahle was this lowest girl, and she's always been the Beyonce of the friendship. When Amahle wants 200, you know, there are those people who enjoy seeing you down there, they enjoy because you are down there. The moment you start picking up yourself, God says, my child, you have walked the test of time, let me bless you. They start despise you because what? They gain confidence from doing what? From feeling like they're superior to people that they know that they are low. Why don't you go to the same billionaires, your fellow billionaires there? Because they know there we don't pay attention to each other. We all have millionaires. We don't pay attention to each other because we are all millionaires. So this billionaire will go down there to people with 2 rand because what? That is where they feel like they've made it. So Amahle was like, listen here, girl, you have been working on top of me and I've allowed it for the longest time. First of all, I did not ask you to buy me curtains. Secondly, I don't. It's not that I don't have money. You were just pep erasing, feeling yourself. I don't know whether you were under the influence of alcohol or other things that we cannot mention. And you spoke. So, please, don't treat me as if I don't have anything, as if I can't afford myself. You get? So, you call me and after your mom on me, what do you call that? Never ever repeat that. Did she ever respond? In fact, she blocked Amahle on WhatsApp. A whole 6 years friendship. Wizard. Which a whole 6 years friendship. She blocked on WhatsApp, but did not block her on Facebook and Instagram. If you block me on WhatsApp, why are you not blocking me altogether? Because I see you are a snake. Why? And why are you promising people things? Guys, never look down upon anyone. Never look down upon anyone. God is a lifter of men. If your time comes, there's nothing you are going to do. There's nothing. As a friend, that friend of yours will accomplish, and sometimes they even have more than you. Be happy for them. This God does not belong to you alone. In fact, he's not your uncle or your auntie. He's a God of everyone. So you thought maybe you are going to be a multimillionaire alone. So Amahle ended up cancelling her because she was also blocked. Even today, the friendship is gone. Why? Because somebody wanted somebody's daughter to remain there below. So Amahle ended up going to the curtain. She said she spent around 30K. People have money. 30K. I was like, Amahle, 30K of curtains. And then she moved in at the right time. And then the husband are doing good. She has 2 beautiful babies. Like, she's such a wonderful person. So that was the story. And if you have a story for me, follow me on TikTok as well and say, hey girl, I have a story for you then. We'll narrate it here while cooking. So I hope you enjoyed the video. You were not only listening but watching how we made our breakfast. Toasted bread, Vienna, with butter, eggs, and lettuce. Okay, remember to balance your diet all the time. Balance your diet, okay? Protein, veggies, and starch. And we don't have 6 starch in one plate. Lina, butternut, pumpkin, potato, rice, all in one plate. My sister, my brother, that is the starch. Okay. Until we meet again, famies, thank you very much for watching. And thank you for subscribing. And keep well. I bless your kids. I bless whatever that you have, you possess. Until we meet again, I love you, famies. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. If you can't subscribe, like, comment, share the video. Alternatively, also watch the ads. Bye, guys.